Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Pandas playlist. So till now in the last tutorial we have seen how to override our columns, how to create a new column, and what we have discussed is how to sort our columns or data frames, how indexing works. All these things we have seen. So today there is one more new topic, that is categorical data. Now what is that? So let me just show you my data frame. This is my data frame A. So this we have seen in our previous class. It is giving some passing. I've got this data from GitHub site. So it is nothing but a passenger list who have survived from a trip, their fare, their cabin, their ticket number, their name, their sex, their age, and many more things. There are 156 records. So this is our data frame A. I have assigned this into a variable. Now we know about a.describe. We have discussed this in our previous class, right? It will give me all statistical description of my integer and floating values inside my a data frame. Now, okay, what I'm trying to do is a okay, one second. A, there is this column name called as p class. Let us see what this column. So it consists of three object. See, when I just execute a and then p class, so it will give me all the data consisting inside data set inside my p class column. And if you go at the end, it is saying the data type is category. Okay, I think I have executed this the previous time. What I'm trying to do now is, okay, let's say, okay, so I've restarted my kernel. Let me just re-execute our data frame which I got from GitHub. I think it is still giving me the old data. One second, I'm importing Pandas SPD. This is my A data frame. Okay, Pandas is not different. Okay, I've written as SPD. Just a second, guys. PD, yeah. So this is my data. A is my data frame, and if I go at the bottom, okay, yep. So a dot describe, I think the data will be the same. And then I go to a and then I write p class. Now what is it is giving me? It is saying the name of this column is p class. This is the records, or you can say as index 0 to 155, and these are all the datas 3131 something like that. The length is 156 because there are 156 records, and the data type is int 64. It is an integer kind of data type of p class column. This we know. What we are doing to do is, let me just execute this pandas. Okay, it is pandas dot, there is this function or method called as categorical. Now what does this do? I'll just explain it to you in a bit. Just let me write this code, and I'm passing this p class cat column inside this. So we know what a bracket p class does. When I use this function called as categorical, as the name suggests, it will categorize, or it will give me total categories which is present inside my particular column. In this example, it is p class. So what it is saying, the length of this column is 156, the categories are 3, and the data type of is int64. It is saying that there are 3 unique or 3 distinct categories present inside my p class, and that are 1, 2 and 3. Means 156 records are there in my p class column, and 156 records contains the data 1, 2, 3. Only these 3 categories are there. It is like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and nothing else data is there. Only these 3 categories are there. Now there is one requirement. Suppose that I need to map my datas of p class into some other names. Suppose 1 becomes x, 2 becomes y, 3 becomes z. So how to do that? Let us see this thing in this tutorial videos. So we know what this pd.categorical does, and I am storing this into my new data set called as c, or a variable called as c. So we know what now c contains. C contains this 31, 312, 123 kind of data, and there are 156 records, right? Now what I'm trying to do, there is this function of which is present in my pandas, that is called as rename categories. C is nothing but my categorical data. the, okay, let me just tell you what is the type of C, right? It will be easy for you to understand. Now there is this different data type called as categorical. So this categorical data type C dot rename categories means I'm renaming my categories, I'm mapping my categories. We know current category is nothing but 1 2 3. These three data are there. What I'm trying to do over here is I'm trying to rename these 1 2 3 into A comma B comma C. You can give it 5 6 7, any integer or object or floating data is possible. For now example, for this example I'm giving A comma B comma C, means I'm renaming the present category 1 2 3 which is present inside my P class, and then I'm storing this into new. Now if I execute this new, it will give me that the length is 156, the categories are still 3. It is object kind of data because now I have passed an object data or a string or a character data. First it was an integer 1 2 3. I have renamed that to ABC, and then I have stored that to new variable. So this is we have mapped. So till now we have mapped 1 2 3 with ABC, but we need to reflect these things into our data frame which is A. It is still not reflected in our this kind of data frame, A data frame. It is still there in my new variable which I have created called as new. 1 2 3 was replaced with ABC. Now we know the type of new will still be categorical. It is still category type data frame, type, sorry. Now what I'm trying to do, we know how to uh, create a new column, we know how to modify an existing column. We'll use that in this video. So what I'm trying to do is creating a new column for now. So I'm trying to create a new column in our A data set, A, then giving the new column name as new column, and the data we need is new is nothing but my variable which consists of renamed categories ABC. So when I execute this, and you'll be able to find my A, there is this new column created where the data is nothing but new variable which consists of three categories ABC, and C is nothing but P class 3 data, and A is 1. A was replaced with 1. So let me just show it to you. Yeah, so this is C, and in P class it was 3. So I've already replaced 3 with C, 1 with A, and again, and this is so on and so forth. So we have replaced or mapped this, but we haven't made any changes to an existing column P class. To make any changes, we know how to modify. Just write, okay, let me just 1 second, A, and then give the column name that you need to replace, and the data will be now new because new contains my new categorical data, that is ABC. I'll execute this, and then you'll be able to find we have mapped C with 3 with C, 1 with A, and 2 with B, and this is so on and so forth. Now the P class becomes C, A, C, A, C, and B will be there somewhere. 1 2 3 has been changed to ABC. This is how we can replace our columns data set by using this categorical data type, by using this rename categories kind of method and categorical type of method. So this is it for today's class, guys. Please try it on your notebook as well so that you have a good practice of it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.